This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on a new crinoline fascinator design. The materials I'm going to use are my hook gun, my scissors, needle and thread, the rose for design, my tape rule to measure, and my crinoline. You can use your wax candle gum if you don't have wool gum. I'm going to cut my crinoline into 3 parts. The first one is a yard, which I'm going to use to make the base. Then I have another one. This one is 20 inches. Then I have another one which is more than 1 yard. The length is 40. What I'm going to do is that you take your needle and thread, fold this mouth, tack it, you can see it. You run the stitches from here down. On it, then run the stitches up to bring down the edge here. And stitches up, then draw it together. Draw the crinoline together. The 2 edges at the back, you bring it together. You turn it. Look at it. You turn it. Immediately you turn it. Draw then tack the center together. You can see it. This is the head of the design. Then I'm going to create the base. Make a simple bow. This is it. I'm designing a simple bow for the base. See, and what I'm going to use for the base. Then place this on top of it. Place it on it like this and join it together. You can see it. The last crinoline, you are going to do the same thing as you did to the first one. This is it. It will form this design up, then join the two together. Look at it. Then take your rose, your ugum, or your wax candle gum. This is comb and this is rubber that you are going to place at the back of it here. Place your rubber at the back with your wax candle, or you can use your comb. Then place your rose on top of it. You see it? This is the design. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.